Skittles. Skittles. Oh, that's a good tramp. Skittles.
What needs ye, mistress? What needs ye?
Skittles, I grow bored of being wealthy.
But the wealth spell I cast lasts for eternity, mistress.
Oh, Skittles, if I'd known if it were for eternity, Shan't, maybe I would have decided on something else, mayhap.
What wishes ye? What wishes ye? Knowing that I cannot undo a spell, as I am young.
Skittles, you say that when you age, you become an even more magical tramp, a tramp that can undo spells?
Yes.
What happens to your rickets?
My rickets turns into ballet. And the spells I cast enchant all. I'm but 3,000 years old, mistress. My kind lives for eternities and eons. You cannot grapple with these thoughts.
Skittles, would you turn my gowns into rags?
Yes, mistress, yes, mistress.
Skittles, would you make this fabulous mansion into the inside of a whale?
One thing at a time, mistress, one thing at a time.
Skittles, I found you in that creek bed and I saved you from drowning. Now you know as a tramp with rickets, the only thing you can't do, well, there's two things you can't do. You can't undo spells yet, and you can't save your own self from death, so you owe me. Skittles, if I want many things at once, shan't I wish for many things at once, mayhaps perchance?
Perhaps ye should wish for another servant. I never thought I would speak to ye like this, mistress, but ye have broken me to the edge. I have upset thee, I have upset thee. Wish. Your hand shall never tremble for fear, for all of eternity.
And look, you did my nails in a French tip.
Kind of fancy. Mistress!
Yes, Skittles, I know you've wanted to mate your whole long life, and I now have a chance to grant you a wish.
Yes, free me for but an hour, and I shall sing the call of Callooh.
Skittles, one first.
No,
Skittles, please.
I shan't wait.
Skittles, let me at least wish for you to have a bigger boner.
No.
Please, Skittles.
No, I'm into the small boners.
Mistress, I told you that
Yes, Snickers.
I wouldn't touch anything called Skittles unless it was this big.
Yes, Snickers.
I don't want that whore. I want to find my own mate. I want to frolic in the forest singing.
He wants a king size, not a bite size. This isn't Halloween. If you want an old woman, go for the big one. All right? You know, here, no, tramps, come here, tramp. I want to explain something to you.
Your shoes are ugly.
Tramp, this was not part of the deal. Bragg clothes were fun, and give me back my Manolos.
Yeah, your Manolos is stupid. You're not Sarah Jessica Parker.
Give them back.
For all eternity. Haven't you been listening? My spells last for all eternity.
They do they?
Were I 9 million years old, I could not undo the spell. You are doomed to have ugly shoes for the rest of your life.
You want to play this
Get
game?
that whore out of here. I must find my one true
to
love.
be replaced with a giant redwood and a tiny American flag.
Why? I wasn't listening.
Wait. Don't run away. We're trying to write your vows. Okay?
We know our vows. We know our vows.
I need to know what the vows are so that I can read them.
We'll say them. We'll cast a spell on each other. We'll cast a spell on each other for all eternity.
That's...
Adding me and being my husband. Oh, yeah, it's offensive.